Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate how to use the AI tools from Pika Labs to transform text into incredible videos. In today's fast-changing digital world, artificial intelligence is changing how we make things like pictures and videos. Imagine making videos just by telling a story or describing a picture. That's what using prompts to generate a video is all about. You don't need fancy skills. Just your ideas and some words. Get ready to see how AI can turn your thoughts into awesome 3-second videos that everyone can enjoy. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Pika Lab. It's a cool tool that helps you turn your ideas into real things with your imagination or your picture. Just type what you want or put in a picture, and it creates a super cool 3-second video for you. To get started with Pika Labs, go to their website and click on Join Beta using your email. After you confirm your email, you can access Pika. When you arrive, you'll see a welcome page. Click on Generate One to start making your video. At the bottom of the page, a box will appear where you can type instructions. Begin by typing Create and pressing Enter. Then, write the message you want for your video. For example, you might type, "A street scene in the afternoon with a sunset over trees, a road leading away, a few cars, rain falling, a cinematic feel, and cars running." You can also add details like R16.9 for aspect ratio and motion 2 for motion settings. Once you're done, Pika will take your instructions and start working. Just wait for a bit while Pika creates your video. Finally, you'll get to see the video that Pika made based on your message. Let's now watch the video that Pika created. I think it looks nice, and we could try to make it longer. We could take the last frame of the video as a picture. Then, we can use this picture in Pika to make another 3-second video. When you're using the Pika prompt, you can either use Create Image and follow the same instructions as before, or you can just type None in prompt if you want. Pika will then make the video for you automatically, starting from the picture you just uploaded. Let's now watch the video that Pika created. Once you're happy with the video, you can use a free video editor to bring everything together. Today, I'm using CapCut for this purpose. Once everything is done, we can watch the final video. It looks good to me. This is a good start, and you can explore more on your own. I hope you enjoy it and find even more ways to make it great. Thank you for watching. Have fun making videos and trying new things.